Alright, this is Kyle with Homeqwik here today at 5525 East Thomas Road. This here is a two bedroom, 1-bath condo, coming in at just about 850 square feet. It's a gorgeous, quiet community here in the Arcadia area, just south of Camelback Mountain, close to Old Town Scottsdale, other shopping. Got a community pool here, got a community spa, got a gym, got the works. Heading up into the condo, we got lots of upgrades, so let's go ahead and take a look. Alright, looking just inside the front door, the first thing you'll notice is the beautifully upgraded kitchen area. So let's see those white granite counters, matching white cabinetry, stainless steel appliances. It's got wood tile flooring throughout the condo. It's a really nice, inviting space. With that nice natural light coming in, it really lights up everything. Spacious living area. Covered patio. We've got our guest bedroom here. And we have access to the main bathroom. Nice light colored granite counters again with the same white cabinetry. And straight through to the master bedroom with our bathroom in between. Alright, well, this is a perfect little condo for 1 or 2 people. If you want to see this great property or any of our others, you can visit our website at www.homeqwik.com or give us a call at 602-792-5012. Thanks for watching.